Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you type a website into your browser? Like, how does typing www.google.com open up Google in seconds? Well, today we're going to break down in the simplest way possible how the web really works. First, let's get something clear. The web is not the same as the internet. The internet is the giant physical network of computers, cables, satellites, and routers connecting everything together. It is a worldwide system of interconnected computer networks and electronic devices that communicate with each other using an established set of protocols. The web, short for World Wide Web, is a service that runs on top of the internet. It's what delivers websites, videos, emails, and more. We'll walk through what happens when you type a website into your browser step by step. Number 1, browser looks for the address. Number 2, DNS gives the IP. Number 3, connects to the server. Number 4, server sends files. Number 5, browser builds the page. Let's look at step 1. Your browser looks for the IP address, which is DNS lookup. Every website lives on a server, which is just a fancy computer, but your browser can't find pizza.com on its own. It needs a specific address called an IP address. So it sends a request to a DNS server, and DNS stands for Domain Name System, which is like the internet's phone book. It looks up pizza.com and returns something like 192.168.1.1. Remember, DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is like the internet's phone book. It is a fundamental part of the internet that translates human-readable domain names into machine-readable IP addresses, such as 192.168.1.1. In other words, it translates a website name to a number called an IP address. This translation allows users to access websites and other online resources using familiar names instead of complex IP addresses. Step 2, connecting to the server, which is sending the request. Now that your browser has the IP address, it sends a message through the internet to the server where the website lives. This message says, "Look, can you send me to the homepage of pizza.com?" Step 3, server responds with website files, which is getting website files. The server responds with a bunch of files, usually HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the content, CSS is the design, and JavaScript makes things interactive. Step 4, your browser builds the page. Now your browser takes those files and starts building the website, piece by piece. Images are loaded, text is styled, animations are triggered, and boom, the page appears on your screen. All these parts work together super fast: browser, DNS, server, and the internet itself. So the main players in this whole process: 1, your device and browser, which are tools you use to access the web. Number 2, DNS servers. These are the translators between names and numbers. Number 3, web servers, where the websites actually live. Internet infrastructure would be number 4, routers, fiber cables, satellites, and more that connect it all. HTTPS, keeping you safe. You've noticed sometimes most websites should start with HTTPS. The letter S stands for secure. It uses encryption to make sure no one can steal or tamper with the data while it's traveling across the internet. This keeps things like passwords and credit cards safe. So, next time you click on a website, just remember, behind the scenes, There's a super fast conversation happening between your browser, DNS servers, web servers, and the whole internet, all in a fraction of a second. Knowing this stuff helps make you a bit smarter online and maybe even build something someday. Let's review how it works in 5 simple steps. It all happens in milliseconds. Number 1, type a URL. Number 2, DNS finds the site. Number 3, browser talks to server. Number 4, server sends files. Number 5, browser builds the site. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel.